Good morning one and all. In this video you're going to learn about UNIX operating system. Yes, UNIX is one of the powerful operating system that was initially developed by Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie, the father of programming languages, at AT&T Bell Labs in the year 1970s. You heard it right. Dennis Ritchie's main intention for developing programming C was to develop UNIX as an operating system. The most reasons for the development of this operating system is scientific, engineering, academic institutions due to its most appreciative features like multitasking and multi-user flexibilities, etc. If we look into few of the features of UNIX, it has multitasking. This operating system is a multitasking that allows you to initiate more than one task from same terminal so that one task is performed on the foreground and the other at the background. It is also multi-user. UNIX allows multi-users to access the computer resources like memory, hard disk, and system drives. Apart from this, multi-users can log on to the system from different terminals and run different jobs that share the resources. It deals with the principle of time sharing, due to which it will be dividing the CPU scheduling time and several other segments into time slicing. Due to these features of UNIX, it is more user-friendly and compatible. Portability. Another feature of UNIX is portable. That means you will be able to transfer the code on any other machine that was written in C programming. Okay, because significant portion of the UNIX is written in C programming and a very small portion of it is coded in assembly language for specific hardware purpose. UNIX is highly meant for security, file security and protection. Being multi-user system, it takes special care for considering the security. Okay, UNIX has different levels of security, being assigning usernames and passwords. Apart from this, it also ensures the authentication at levels providing file access permissions like reading, writing, accessing, executing, and even file encryption that can be changing the file into an unreadable format. This is one of the best features of UNIX, due to which it's been used worldwide. Command structure. UNIX commands are easy to understand and simple to use. Example, CP for copying and MV to move, and so on. And it's a case sensitive language, means the letters that you're entering, it should be in the lower case. Communication. Another most important and excellent feature of UNIX is meant for communication throughout the world. It supports various communication facilities, and you will be writing the commands such as mail command and talk command, etc. UNIX is open source, one of the open source operating system which is freely available to all, and the community-based development projects. The major feature of UNIX is accounting. It keeps accounts of the jobs created by the users. This feature enhances the system to perform, and it will be monitored by CPU scheduling and disk spacing. Okay. Not only this, the root user can perform these accounting tasks using various commands such as df, du, etc. And one of the major utility of UNIX is nothing but its tools and utilities, that provides various types of tools and utilities such as UNIX grep, sed, and awt. And some of the general purpose tools are compilers, interpreters, and network applications. So these are the few of the features of UNIX, and it is very much widely used because of these features only. The coming videos you will be learning more about UNIX and its commands and the structure of the UNIX operating system layers. Thank you so much. Keep learning.